Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mustufa. I am 6 years old. I am student of Miss Sara Raza. I am learning squares. I have created many projects on it, like snake game, angry bird game, and cat game, etc. First, I show you my project angry bird. I When green flag click and we press cross button, nothing happens. And when we press right button, my backdrop switch to angry bird. I add many codes to run my project. I add 7 birds with different costumes. I add 2 variables, shoot and bullets. I have 6 bullets. When the bullets are finished, then pressing the A key, the bullets are loaded by pressing the A key. My shooter is moved by the mouse pointer like this. My birds move in random directions. Whenever one bird killed, my shoot increased by 1, and whenever the shooter shooted, the bullet decreased by 1. When the shoot is equal to 14, we win the game. This is my game, and birds. I put many levels